Hello everyone, welcome to Elements of Costing class. This is seventh problem on cost sheet. Today also we'll be solving problem on this. I'll read out the problem first. In a factory, two types of articles are manufactured, that is 1 and 2. From the following particulars, prepare a statement of cost of each variety and ascertain in the total profit. There is no opening or closing stock. So here they have given one chart, particulars, then this is for article 1 and article 2. Materials 30,000 for article 1, 50,000 for article 2. Then labor 60,000 for article 1 and 70,000 for article 2. Work on cost is charged at 40% of works cost and office on cost is taken at 20% of total cost. Article 1 sold during the period are 180 at rupees 1200. Okay, and article 2 sold are Article 2 sold are 200 at rupees 1500 each. Okay, this is what is the problem they have given. Okay, now next is they have asked us to prepare a cost sheet or statement of cost. Okay, so now take down next line. Statement of cost for the year ending. Okay, you will have to make 3 columns, one for particulars, then article 1 and article 2. Okay, now in this problem, in this chart, what they have given is material as well as labor. For article 1 and 2 they have given. So this itself is direct material and direct labor. So here first we need to take direct material. Okay, now for article 1 it is 30,000. For article 2 it is 50,000. Okay, next is direct labor. Now direct labor for article 1 it is 60,000. Article 2 it is 70,000. Okay, now make total. Now check in the problem if they have given direct expenses. If they haven't given direct expenses, then make a total. Now this total will be called as what? Prime cost. Understanding? Okay, now total of article 1 is 90,000 and total of article 2 is 1,20,000. Okay, yes. Now add factory overheads. Okay, now factory overheads, what information they have given? After this chart they have given one para, that is works on cost is charged at 40% of works cost. It means factory overheads, works on cost is nothing but it is factory overheads. This is charged on works cost. Okay, that is 40%, but we don't know what is for works cost. So we will have to assume work cost. Okay, so for that we will have one working note. So now take down working note, calculation of first write down note 1. Okay, that is calculation of factory overheads. Okay, now how you will get works cost? How you will get works cost? So what you will have to do, usually formula to calculate this is prime cost, understanding, prime cost plus factory overheads, which will be equal to works cost. Understanding, prime cost plus factory overheads will give you work cost. Now what they have told here, work on cost is charged at 40% of works cost. Okay, it means 40% of works cost. It means now this prime cost we don't know like how much the percentage is. Okay, but factory overheads they have told it is 40%. 40% of what? Works cost. So we will assume work cost will be 100. When work cost is 100, factory overheads will be 40% they have given. Okay, now prime cost is equals to 100 minus 40. Understanding? So that will be equal to 60. Okay, it means prime cost is 60, work cost we have assumed as 100, and factory overheads it is 40. Okay, now we will have to calculate it for article 1. Okay, now for article 1 we will calculate prime cost then here we will have factory overheads. Okay, now we are calculating it for article 1. Now when prime cost is how much? 60 as per this note. Prime cost is 60. So when prime cost is 60, then factory overheads is how much? 40%, which is given in the problem. Okay, now when prime cost is, now check here, prime cost is how much? 90,000. Okay, when prime cost is 90,000, then how much will be the factory overheads? Okay, yes, now 90,000 okay into 40 divided by divided by 60. Okay, now calculate this. That is equals to how much you will get? That is 60,000. Okay, now for article 1 works on cost. So right here work on cost. For article 1 it is 60,000. Okay, now same thing we will have to calculate for article 2. For article 2, okay, again prime cost and factory overheads. Now again here, when prime cost is 60, factory overheads is how much? 40. Okay, now go through the problem. Now check how much is the prime cost. It is 1,20,000. Okay, now when it is 1,20,000, when it is 1,20,000, then how much will be the factory overheads? Okay, again calculate this. That is 1,20,000 1,20,000 into 40, again divided by divided by 60. Okay, divided by 60. So calculate this, check it how much you will get. It is 80,000. Okay, now again go through the chart. It is 80,000. It is 80,000. In bracket you can write note 1. Okay, yes. Now next what we need to do, check if any other factory overheads they have given. They have not given anything, so this itself will be called as works cost. Okay, add it, that will be 1,50,000. Okay, for article 2 it will be 2 lakh. Yes. Okay, now next is add administrative overheads. Okay, now related to administrative overheads, what they have given, office on cost is taken at 20% on total cost. It means again here also on total cost it is 20%. Okay, so again we should have one working note. So note number 2, note 2, calculation of administrative overheads. Okay, yes. Now what they have given here, that is on total cost it is 20%. So here also we should have an working. So how you will get total cost? As in this problem they have not given selling and distribution overheads. Okay, so works cost plus administrative overheads is equals to total cost. As they have not given selling and distribution overheads, we have directly taken what, total cost. If not, then here it would come cost of production. Understanding? Okay. Now again here we are going to assume work cost remains the same. Okay. Then administrative overheads 20% they have given. So that will be equal to, assume total cost is 100. Okay. Now again works cost is equals to 100 minus 20. It is 100 minus 20. So how much you will get? So that will be 80. It means work cost is 80. Okay. Now next line again same calculation as we have done for factory overheads. We will have to calculate it for article 1 and article 2. Article 1. Okay. Now here work cost then administrative overheads, right? Now work cost is how much? 80. Okay, here we have got, and administrative overheads is 20. Okay, now go through the chart. Now check here. Work cost is 1,50,000, right? Now when work cost is 1,50,000, 1,50,000, then how much will be administrative overheads? How much will be administrative overheads? Now next line, 1,50,000 into 20, okay, then divided by 80. Okay, now calculate this. How much you will get? 37,500. 37,500. So we will write it here. That is office on cost. Office on cost. In bracket you can write note number 2. Okay, so office on cost, it is how much? 37,500 for article 1. Okay, now we will have to calculate it for article 2. Again same calculation. Yes, here for article 2. Article 2, again work cost, then administrative overheads, now when work cost is 80, administrative overheads is 20. Okay, now when work cost for article 2 is 2 lakh, then how much will be administrative overheads? Again calculate 2 lakh into 20 divided by 80. Divided by how much? 80. Okay, equal to amount is how much? 50,000. Okay, again go through the chart. Here you can write 50,000. Okay, now as here they have not given any other expenses like selling and distribution overheads or other administrative overheads. So now we will have to find out total cost. Total cost, or even it is called as cost of sales. Okay, now add it. That is 1,87,500. Okay, now for article 2 it is 2,50,000. Yes. Okay, now next is we will have to find out profit, right? So how we can find out profit? Once we know what is sales. Okay, now sales, what they have given, what information they have given, read last para. Article 1 sold during the period are 180 at rupees 1200 each. Okay, so for article 1, 180 into 1200, so how much you will get? Calculate it. That is 2,16,000. Yes, now for article 2, What they have told, 200 at rupees 1500 each. So 200 into 1500, you will get 3 lakh. Understanding? Now find out whether there is profit or loss. Now sales minus total cost or cost of sales will give you profit or loss. Now for article 1, sales is 2,16,000 and cost of sales or total cost is 1,87,500. So find out the balance. So balance is 28,500. So this itself will be called as profit for article 1. Same thing for article 2 also. Sales is more than cost of sales, which means there is again profit of rupees 50,000. Okay, so this is what is the problem. This is what they have asked us to solve it. Okay, so always remember, so if they have given factory overheads on work cost, it means you will have to assume that work cost will be 100 and your factory overheads will be whatever percentage they have given, and prime cost. So because prime cost plus factory overheads is equals to work cost. So this formula you will have to remember. If you know the format, then easily you can find out this. Okay, hope so this problem is clear to you all. Okay, solve few more problems from the textbook, different types. No doubt I am taking different types of problem. Even you people find out some different problems and try to solve it. Okay, hope so this problem is clear to you all. Okay, we shall meet in next class. See you.